Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Poddar. I am part of Informatica GCS team. As a part of today's presentation, we are going to see how to configure proxy on Linux-based secure agent machine. As a part of today's presentation, we'll be discussing on this agenda how to enable or configure proxy in Linux-based secure agent and the demo. So let's see how we can configure proxy. To configure the proxy server setting for the secure agent on a Linux machine, the proxy.inf file need to be updated by the console agent manager.sh script, which will be located under secure agent installation home directory /app/agent core. To configure with script, you can run the script /console agent manager.sh script, configure proxy host and proxy port. You can update the username and password as well if you are using the authenticated proxy, and then restart the secure agent machine. Now let's see on demo on configuring proxy settings in Linux based secure agent machine. Log into your secure agent machine and go to secure agent home directory. So for me, secure agent home directory is /root/info-agent, and you need to go to apps/agent core directory where console agent manager.sh script will be located. cd apps agent core ls. So here is the console agent manager.sh script, which is used for configuring the proxy on your secure agent. So for running this /console manager.sh space configure configure proxy space, and you need to specify proxy host and proxy port. In this tab I have my proxy server open. So let's get the host name. So this is the host name of my proxy server, which I will be updating here, and the host name for my proxy server is 3128. And if it is an unauthenticated proxy server, then it will be just host name and port. If it is authenticated proxy server, then it will be host name or host IP space port number space username space password. So currently I am using unauthenticated proxy server, which consists only host name or host IP or the port. Now once it is done, click on enter. It has configured a proxy server. Now let's validate the details from the proxy.inf file, whether it's got updated or not. To validate, you need to go to the secure agent home directory, cd/root info-agent apps/agent core conf directory. You will see the proxy.inf file cat, and you can see the proxy host IP and the proxy port is updated here. Now to reflect the changes over the secure agent, you need to restart your secure agent machine. For that, you need to go to secure agent home directory /info-agent apps/agent core, that /info-agent shutdown, and then /info-agent startup. Now the Informatica service has started. You can view the proxy server, or you can view the whatever request which is coming from secure agent will be redirected by the proxy server. So once it is configured, all the requests will be going by the proxy server. As you can see on the proxy, the request, it's coming from the URL pod URL, and this is my IP of my secure agent trying to connect to the pod. And similarly, whatever request comes and goes, it will be by the proxy server. Please refer this documentation if you need additional information on configuring proxy in your Linux based secure agent machine. We'd love to hear from you. You can send us a mail to supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us on https://twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.